Hi viewers, today we will learn Digiskill website overview. First page is home, showing home page, and go to my current course, enroll now, because you are new trainees, so showing only just two courses. So go to enroll now. We will learn how can uh, you new trainees and you select an other course too, then save you. Oh, look at, see, are you sure you want to save? No, this is a problem. Okay, save, and then red line option showing, dear trainee, phase freelancing is a mandatory course. You may either drop all course or the other course. So freelance automatically selected. First time you select freelance must. Look it. You select third course, then issue pop-up windows. Sorry, you cannot enroll more than two courses in a batch. Okay, and then you select two course SEO. I suggest you first time you learn Digiskill course, you select is of freelance and digital marketing, because there this course instructor is very great personality, good informations, and you on our course is group freelancing. First freelancing course, go to freelance, and this instructor, first I told you this course is durations, best durations 12 week, and time durations 24 hour. It's okay, and this course is free. This is a freelancing promo.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम है शाम सरवर है और मेरा ताल्लुक आईटी के शोबे से है। इस वीडियो कोर्स में मैं आपको फ्रीलांसिंग करने के तरीके सिखाऊंगा। फ्रीलांसर इज वन हु इज सेल्फ।
Okay, this start date is course started date 1 August 2019, and you enrolled before 1 August, it means 30 July. You enroll now and then free of cost, and who can join? Everyone. Huh. I think everyone's join, and who can, every person who want home based earn. Enrolled trainees 45,776, and video Urdu and medium, and then go to meet the trainer. Oh, Guru Sham Sarwar, very great personality and a very great instructor, and these informations your instructor. These instructors is brand name is Being Guru. Being Guru is a website name, and very it's really Guru instructor. And look at Fiverr Guru Freelance. It's a website portal, and this is a freelance marketplace. You want earn, go to Fiverr Guru Freelance, create your account. Okay, go to the Digiskill, and Digital marketing. I have already told you 12 weeks. Instructor name Dr. Yasir Rashid. Go to view of details and 12 weeks, 24 hours, and first of all, this is same and enrolled training 11,132. Okay, digital marketing. Oh, great, Dr. Yasir Rashid instructor. Very nice instructor and good informations provide and he's providing digital marketing course. Slow. I think this is slow. So go to the digital marketing and leave this. Okay. You select this course and save. Yeah, and then go to the successful. Okay, go to the home page and look at freelancing 0 week and 0 videos and SEO and search engine optimization 0 week and 0 videos. There is no videos provided because course is not started. Freelance is hidden and SEO is course is hidden before August and this is options events and discussions options buttons. My previous course, you have already enrolled a course and complete the course. Your course, this option showing your course. Now notice board, go to notice boards. There is events and important links and these links click. This is a virtual university links. The virtual university of Pakistan and it means educationers for us and the marketing links skills. These are available course. You want to learn this course, go to virtual university link and avail this course. Now go to our Digiskills websites. Okay, news and events. There is a showing course and events first at July. Uh, Before previous batches completed course showing results um, and provided and sending certifications trainees who are pleased to announce to results for batch 3 April 2019 Jan 2019 and the e-certificates are available and can be downloaded from LMS. Okay, and after you verified LMS must kindly you go to LMS verified your certificate must. Okay, leave it and go to the Digiskill homepage and important link. There is important link. Oh, that is important link and news events. Well, after activities, there is your activities exercise. Trainees, you select course after 1 week. Digiskill 1 week and 1.5 week and 2 week. Digiskills provide exercise. Exercise is a PDF forms. You go to this exercise options button and download exercise and learn and understand what the Digiskills want this exercise. You complete this exercise and send this providing button questions. There is no questions because I'm new and course is not started. Questions, uh, after 2 weeks Digiskills provide questions, 10 questions available every weeks, and 10 marks, and discussions, these are coming soon. You go to discuss your any problem as hesitations. You go to the instructor and ask every frequently but authorized questions, not bad and another questions, but just only related to your course questions. Okay, my notes, this is showing my notes I enter in this questions, no sorry, notes title freelance, and notes what I learned today after watching videos. So add, and there is no, that is showing, and then cancel. Go to the Digiskill homepage, results. There is no certificates available because I am new this course and enrolled. I am new enrolled training because a few learner want Digiskills overview, websites overview. So go to the progress is coming soon. Progress related your course, you watch videos, you submit exercise, you submit questions. After you show, after the showing progress, and stories coming soon, not available, and it's, these options is my favorite only. uh, uh, Coming soon, this option is supported, online supported. It means you ask frequently. Sorry, this is my profile, and this is my profile, and you enter, authorize your informations, and email address, your name, your qualifications, your employee histories, and well, every each other. Go to the progress file is 0 because course is not started. So go to the second, my notes is not available, enter, and online, oh my favorite link. Your any questions, your as any hesitations you want to answer these questions, LMS technical issues, SEO, any questions you are these subjects, yeah, any others course you want answer, go title and subjects, and query, and then submit. uh, Viewers, look at this is option, this button is hidden because course is not started. So go to the home page. Viewers, this is a totally overview about Digiskill websites. I hope you understand. And any questions you want any questions you frequently ask me, my channel, my website, Safamis is a company, and thanks for watching. But thanks for watching for video, and take care.